It's a police car this year, look. Can you see the police car? Oh, here they come. They're coming. Here they come. It's Santa, look. It's a fucking cop car as well, isn't it?
Don't do it!
I've done it, I've done it, I've done it. It's gone red as well, look. Fucking cop car. Does the cop car stop for the lights?
Can you wave?
Wave!
You're waving?
Wave!
There we go!
It's Santa, Oscar!
It is Santa! Wave!
Hey, it's snowing on top of there as well. They've got like a snow machine on it.
I know, right? Wow, what's that? What's that? Hey!
Oh, someone's stuck in the middle of it. Oh, she's getting on with it. Fair play to her.
Go Hong Kong!
Hey! Oh, they got a Santa alert. Oh, more cars stuck in it. Oh, look, they got a Christmas tree. Look at the fake snow. Can you wave? Can you wave? You gonna wave? Yeah!
Wow, look at that!
Isn't that good?
Tractor parade!
It's a tractor parade, yeah!
Oh, not another one. Another one's not broken down.
Oh no!
What is it? It's good! It's so happy! Yeah! Tractor! Beep beep! Beep beep! Beep beep! Beep beep! Hey! Beep beep!
Oh, that's a good one. The one with the Merry Christmas.
Oh, wow! Can you wave?
That sounds a good chance of winning. Beep beep!
What is it? What colour is it? That's blue one.
You're looking good this year. You got Christmas tree on the back. Are you waving, Oscar? Or I see bright one coming up now. Someone else stuck in it. It's so awkward. There's always quite a few stuck in it. I've got drinks on the back of that one. Someone else stuck in it. Bad enough being stuck down one tractor in Wales, let alone a fucking parade. Oh, look who it is! That's cute. Santa! James, they all getting into a competition as competition for the best dressed tractor. Costs them £10 per tractor to enter, all goes to charity. This is in Pembrokeshire in Haverfordwest. Sorry, I've not really been keeping an eye on the comments because of watching it. They do this every year. They're more tractors there, look! Wow. Oh, you got a Christmas tree! I think that's the end of it now. Oh, wow! Oh, there's another one coming around the corner. Thank you. Oh no, there's some few more coming round. There's a few more at the top. There's just some traffic got stuck in that. Sucks to be them. We're going down there. And when the waving. Oh, fair play. Kids love it, yeah. Yeah, there's more coming now. This is more for Litland tonight. This is his favourite. He talks about this all year round. It's bad enough being stuck behind one tractor on my house. There's no fucking parade of them. Try to get the cars. Get the cars to wave, Oscar. Wave at the cars. Wave. Wave at the cars. Oh, they don't look at me. Oh. She don't look up behind you. Oh. Are you waving? Is it noisy? Are you waving? Lights up the street well, isn't it? Oh, he took off quite well. Wow! Big tractor! Big tractor! Oh, Vicky! Oh, there's loads more coming. Say hi! Holy crap! There's loads, yeah! Wow, look! Oh, you got Santa on the front of that one. Bit of an anorexic Santa, that. Haverfordwest and there we go. That's a cute one. Oh, the puppy.
Let's stay with the puppy. How you doing, puppy? Yeah. I know. Lots of tractors.
There's loads of shit.
Wave.
Oscar, you waving?
I know, wow.
Jess has made a friend.
I stole the dog.
Stole the dog.
I stole the dog, people. Take video.
Stole the dog. Jess is a sucker for a puppy. There's definitely more than last year. Or the year before. I wasn't here last year. They're still coming. You know. There's loads. Hey, baby flasher. Oscar, you waving? You waving? Waving? This is all Oh my god, I love this dog! Oh, then they got a puppy. Did you see that puppy, Jess?
I know,
You can't steal that one. Is this the end now? Yeah, this is Haverfordwest. They're in Barn Street, if you're in Haverfordwest. Well, this is the end of it now, so... Oh, fair play. I'll give you a follow.
What is it? What is it?
Oh, there's 4 cars stuck behind it. Yeah, that's heading down towards Morrison Roundabout now. I don't know where they go from here. Right, that's all, guys.